Welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. Another day. Difficult, difficult market yesterday. Well, this week, Monday and Thursday was difficult. I tried to open a long position in Tokyo session, but again, no retracement. So for that reason, I didn't open any position in Tokyo because no retracement. It just did the movement. So good, beautiful move. And now it's giving us this candle reaction. So, well, today it's time to open the loan. Stop thinking in 17 here. So let's wait. Just wait the retracement there. We will continue. So, let's see if we can apply for some rejection. Okay, waiting the retracement. Nice break of a structure here. Let me check. So well, it's possible the price didn't go back to the 41.20. It's a possibility. This is the tone what we are having this 2 3 days. No retracement, just continuation with the difficult. But well, retracement. That's great. That's great. Da. So let's see what happened with that retracement. Pure patience. Okay, and finally I have my account, my Funder account available. I have a deal with them, so everything is good. I expressed myself since the existing issues what I'm having with the PT markets. I don't like that trading view. Well, finally I have my account. So starting the funded account with this well, less $3 because I was testing yesterday. So yes. Okay. Finally it's going back. Here in those cases we don't need to wait the confirmation. The confirmation is there, and the confirmation is the break of a structure. Just we need to 2 3 candles into the near to the 0.5 for open the trade. We got the first candle there. Okay, retracement. Just we need a little more. Just come back a little more. At least 41.22. Well, I think this is the. That's all. Just if the last 5 minutes can give us some reaction. Okay. Price is going back. So that's great. That's nice for our intentions. $41.23, $41.21, $41.20. Of course, is a best. Is a good point. $41.19. $41.23. Now the price looks there, like the accumulation looks there. Okay, looks beautiful. 41.22. Some push more. Okay, I think the it's not giving us that. Consolidation is there. Well, let's try the position there. $41.23. Let's see if we can find our position. Position will be taken out into the best point. Okay. Well, I sent the entry into the Telegram, so probably some people now is getting a good profit. But well, instantly it made this candle. So well, beautiful. I take my position into the secondary account 4124. So I will use that one. The others who didn't take the entry, just wait. Probably many people miss the entry. So well, that things happen. That was difficult, that was difficult because well, I share my position into the Telegram and everything. I take my position without issues in my account of 25 key. Um, some people take the position into the Telegram, but here it was 1 minute. It was 1 minute, guys. To remember, today is the funk. Today is the funk. Well, my point of entry was 41.24. That 2020. I share here the position, but go now. everything, the TP1, TP3. It's already done with the TPs. The ones who can take the entry, wait the retracement, and that's the only option. I will try to take the position here in a good retracement. So let's see, probably into the 41.57 could be a good point. Let's see. So you can see the price is there. For some people, that's great. That was great. So well, the retracement is coming. Some of my best students have 210 euros in profit, $400 in profit. So that was great. That was a one candle in reaction. So let's try the position. I will try the position here. First, see what happened in that retracement. 41.25. I already booked my profit into the secondary account. Let's see if I can find some good entry here. Good retracement. Well, let's see with this entry. Not the best point again. Let's see if I can take it here, bring me some profit or not. I'm taking this like for some people, like some people can take it. I'm waiting the retracement here. Let's see what happened. Oh, yes, the stop there. TP. The other thing is, remember, today is the funk. Today is the funk. So probably the market will give us difficult conditions as this one. Hmm. 40, this one. It will retest the original point of entry. Let me check if I can do something here. But no, the stop was there. The stop was there. This position. So what happened here, guys? What happened here? So I opened the first position into the 4122 here, and then going back. Now it's retesting the point. So well, let's see. Just 2 or 3 people can take it, less people. But the original point of entry is 4124. So now it's testing the sun. So let's see. Running re-entry. Let me try the next entry near to this point. Looks like a little accumulation, so that's great. Preparing the re-entry. Near to the 4117, 4116, 4115. That's a great point, too. Price still there, like in a little consolidation, just waiting a better point. $17. This is the last seconds for this candle. Perfect. So new candle. Waiting this little candle in 1 minute. 41.15. Okay, let's go there. The signal was taken. Let's see, ATM. Good. The position was taken again. That 80. Let me check the poem. 41. ATM. That's 67. Stop loss. 41.12. That 50. Okay, TP1. Deep retracement again. 213. That's 75. TP2. 41. 25. 20. 25 to 50. TP3. 41, 20, 55. This is it. 41, 40. 37. Okay, good. Now the best point, 41.80, 18. I can try the little re-entry. Check what happened. And let's work into the TPS. 41, 23, 75, 41, 25, that 50, the TP3, 28, B3 is 37. Okay. $52. What happened here? We need to break this 0.5. So well, it's near to the TP1. So let's see if the price can break that zone. We have 8 minutes. Really high volatility today. Price is still there. We need the price continue giving us a really good reaction there into the 41.17, 41.15, of course. Probably some of you get a better position. For example, 41.16, 41.15. Let's see, the consolidation is still there. Going back to the 41.15. Deep retracement for around 60 pips. Now looks difficult. And probably we will hit the stop. And the stop is there, guys. Not a good reaction. They tried a little. The retracement for around 70, 80 pips. 80 pips in 1 minute. We try to open the trade here. We try to open the consolidation here. These candles. Well, the consolidation is there for some pips, and now it gives us the reaction for continue the short position. So okay, my second entry here. Second entry into the Telegram. First entry here. By my side, 2 stops for around minus $750 at this point. Okay, so well, let me check the other positions. Okay, this is the one going back. It's going back, so we need to wait these 80 minutes for clarifying what happened with this sun. If the price break the sun or not, it depends for this candle and the next one. So let's see what happened there. Let's see. This is the one here. Okay. Mhm. For clarify what happened with this point. Okay, so we have 50 minutes, 60 minutes at this point. I'm going to eat my breakfast and back. Okay. Okay, the price break the sun. Perfect. Let me update it here. The positions. Uh, 69 4. Weird session by 69 5 minus 59. Weird session. It's 23. This one is going to be the last position here. Well, we got this one. So fake one. So position is there. 13. Volume selection 1 hour. And the next position, this is the long position is here. 85. And the sell position is 95. 95 here. Okay, so the 1 hour. Now we see there. Second entry. Position. So, well, guys, something important. Remember, I already I'm working with my funder account, with my 2 funder accounts. So in the first entry, the only option what I can open was in my first account, and this one I'm trying to do a re-entry, not a successful entry, but that was by my side. Okay, that was by my side, and for that reason I opened it. The second entry, well, the first entry I share it into the Telegram, and just the only option what I have is taken for the first option. The second entry, what I do here was by my side, just testing for have some look into the point around 41.22, and the other signal was in 41.11, something like this, 41.15. Okay. That position, of course, I share it into the Telegram. How it looks like. Looks like this. It's look like this. Well, the position here, 41.24. That 2020, 22. That 22. The position is there. It hit my beam. I take some partials there, and that's all. TP1, TP2, basically instantly it made the positions. And well, the I advise here the ones who don't take the entry wait the retracement. What was the retracement? Here for that reason I shared like preparing the re-entry. Then we take another entry and another consolidation in 41.18. Not the best point of entry, and then hit the stop loss 59 pips. That's all. And now I will prepare the next one. Okay. I'm just waiting for clarifying what we can do there. But remember, the for the last I don't know for the last one month and a half, I was passing the challenge. So the idea for share the account it's to pretty easy, like if you can pass the challenge with the entries into the Telegram. Nowadays, my funded account, so I will take some trades. What I'm not going to share into the Telegram. Okay, so well. Let's see. By my side, I prefer to open the sell. To be honest, here into the 95 could be a good point. We have 2-3 candles more. 2-3 candles more for clarify if we can open the trade there or not. It depends. It depends. So it's time to wait. It's time to wait. Now we are not taking any position. So you can see the price still falling. Probably they want to test the 4067. That's the other one. That's the other buy some 67 there. Let's see what happened. Let's see what happened here. We have for the funk. Let me see. 3 hours or what? Funk. Yeah, it's 1 p.m. Yeah, we have time. We have time. The funk is in 2 hours and 30 minutes. So we have time for the last entry. Okay, volume. So yes, it will retest the 60, 67. And here looks great, looks different. This is the Tokyo. The point what I opened the point what I wanted to open the trade was around 40.70. So let's see. 50 minutes. We need to wait 50 minutes for clarify if we are going to see a good reaction here. Still waiting. The price still there, waiting. Remember, the price is there, but we are waiting the confirmation. Let me write it here just in case. Waiting the confirmation. Mhm. Last 5 minutes. Again, here we can test inclusive the 40, 60, 65 or something like this. Check like pin bar reaction, probably. Pin bar reaction. So still waiting. Probably if the price continue like this, we will have another break zone around 40.80. So well, it depends. 2 minutes. At least if the price go back to the 40.76, could be a good point. But it depends. Just waiting. Breaking here. So the price didn't give us the confirmation. So we will wait another 15 minutes. Hmm. Okay, a break here. So let's see. Let's see if the price can give us a confirmation. Probably, and I think the price will continue around 40.70. We got this break of sun, and we will take the position around 40.80, something like this. But well, it depends for the next 11 minutes, and we have 2 hours more for take any, 1 hour and 30 minutes, we'll say. I'm not going to open a position um, minimum, no, maximum of time for the phone. 1 hour and 30 minutes. So at this moment, we have 1 hour 50 minutes. Yes. So, well, I really want to. The price ends near to 40.76 for open the loan. I prefer to open the loan at this point. But well, if the price continue, then we will wait the retracement for open the short. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened there. Let's be patient, and we have 10 minutes. We have 10 minutes at this point. Let's see. I'm seeing many people wants to open the short. You can open the short, guys. You can open the short. If you want, you can open the short. Okay, beautiful reaction. 6 minutes to confirm, 6 minutos para confirmar. Y ver si tomamos ese long. Okay, 4 minutes. 4 minutes. The price still there. Looks like consolidation. What is the problem here? What is the problem here? For example, one candle for 50, 50 pips, for example. And well, I'm trying to use a little big stop loss today for 60 pips, but the thing is not, it's not going to be enough. This accumulation, if we check this accumulation, guys, if we count the lower price and the maximum price is for around 85, 82 pips for both sides. So well, it's difficult. It's difficult. And if we check in 1 minute, we can see this, the candles for everyone understand. Here, one candle for 55 pips. Here's the same. One candle for 60 pips. The long position is the same, 60 pips. Candles in 1 minute for 60 pips and everything. It's difficult. It's difficult to clarify a position here with this high volatility. But well, this is the market. What we have, it's part of trading, so we need to adapt the positions of what we have. Okay, we can take the risk or just don't take the risk. It depends of your if what do you want. If you don't want to take the position, to take the position. If you want to take a sell position, take the sell position. Right now, it's difficult. I already explained this doji. It's contains and accumulations for both sides for 80 pips. So if you open a trade in a 40.68 and close in a 40.78, for example, 100 pips in less than 15 minutes. If you open a sell in 40.78 and close in 40.70, 80 pips in less than 15 minutes. So well, looks great. For the long, 40.75. Mm, okay, this is the 1 hour candle. Okay, let me check the 1 hour candle. Yes, should break that sun. Breaking, taken. Mhm. Okay. Mhm. Okay, waiting 50 minutes more, guys. 50 minutes more. That 0.5 is still resisting. Very good. So now this is the last zones what we're going to use. Forty 80 or a confirmation in 40.68. Well, the price is will break this on again, But without that good retracement, without the good retracement, um, if we check the price in 1 hour, you will see the candle give us a beautiful sun. But well, let's see. Let's see. Still waiting. Still waiting. And the last sun, what we can find something good. Let's say good. It's a 48. 48. The 48. That was a beautiful retracement for sellers. Of course. So we'll break in the sun. It didn't give us the retracement around 40.80 for open to sell. So well, now it's time to wait to see what happened. Last, I'm going to wait 10 minutes more. If not, I will update the yes here. 60 here. Let's see if they can break the 40.58 or it goes back. That's a possibility. Going back again. 5 minutes. Was a deep retracement for what? For around 7,000 pips. Sorry, 700 pips. 700 pips. Many people tell me like, come to the London. There is better volatility and everything. Many people from into my WhatsApp and everything. But when we got the volatility, is something like this, guys. Difficult point of entry, difficult decisions, difficult everything. Stop loss every time. So that's the volatility means. So for that reason, I prefer and I really enjoy the quiet markets. I know it's really like the volatility now. Okay, enjoy the 1 minute candle for 100 pips. So the price touch the 40.58 and goes back to the long position. So this is the market conditions what we have in this week. Um, 2 minutes. Trump will speak. So that's not good. What a week! What a week! The last week was beautiful. This week is awful. Totally awful. So, well, guys, remember if you want to apply for a prop firm, just go into the propfirmmatch.com. There you will see the best options and the best discounts into the market. The link is into the description and the link is into the chat. I will share the information there. So just make me a favor and click the link for the propfirmmatch.com. Okay, give us a pin bar, but that was massive, that was massive. Um, what is the topic? What this Trump is going to speak today? Let me see if Trump is from speech now. Well, he has something in the something about investments. Yeah. U.S. Saudi investment foreign. Well, they will talk about business. They will talk about business. I don't know what type of business. Well, the speech is now. We can do nothing with that. Um, so just take care. I will reduce the lot size. Going to wait a little consolidation. Probably 62. This is the last trade of the day. If you don't want to take this to the valid, now it's a difficult. I know it's difficult with Trump and everything. $64. Remember, the Trump speech is now, so if you want to reduce the risk, don't take it. Or if you want to reduce the lot size, it's totally valid. Again, I share the instructions into the Telegram. Please follow it. Always follow the instructions there. I'm waiting around 40.64 at least. $70 pips. Well, 50 pips at this point. $70 pips. I think it's going to continue the uptrend, but not too much. Waiting. So a beautiful reaction. It's a really nice reaction. Well, thanks God for this markets. Jerome Powell is speaking now. Jerome Powell is not speaking. He was speaking 1 hour and 30 minutes. Means it, yes, we miss it, but again, it was the point was in 63, and then instantly made around 50 pips, 60 pips. With the setup, losing the nice reaction. That's not the reaction what I was looking for. I was at least everyone to the price break the 0.5. Mhm. So well, let's see. 2 minutes more. Let's see if we can find a deep retracement for opening that loan. At least stay near to the 0.5, then open and into the 40.65 could be a good option. Array. 2 minutes. They're into the night. Beautiful reaction for buyers. But that is not the reactions what we are looking for. Why? Because that reactions is very heavily reactions. So that was a beautiful reaction into the buy some. Almost 100 pips since the point of entry. Okay. Just we need some retracement. That's all. Some retracement. 40.68. Close it is 70. Could be a good point. Let's breathe. Take a deep breath. And let's pray for the good reaction. Let's wait at least 40.68. 40.67. Should be there. Testing the sun. No, it's this 60. Just we need one candle more. Forget some accumulation. Testing there 40.69, 40.67. Okay, testing the 0.5. Okay, looks like a strong point. Okay, 40.17. $69. Okay, wait, let's try the position there. Press here. $69. It gave me the 4070. Now the best point. Let's see if we can try it. Not the not even a good position. But an entry. But an entry. Now I need to take a decision if I take a good entry into the same point. What a market. What a market. So let's see. Price is going back. Probably maximum. I would say like 45th, 40. I would say it like this. 40, 70. 90. Really bad point. 40, 60. 'Kay, let's work with this. $40 and $57. 2, 40, 80. 40, 82. 40, 83. And 40 p. 40, 90. 40, 90. 2p1. 40, 80. 2p2. Probably some of you can get a better point than me. That's great. 3. Uh-huh. $91. $40, 91. Yes, $40, 91. 83. 7, 7. Awful. really bad market. Instantly, when I take the position, the price fall 70 70 pips. So I need to take the decision to use a big stop near to the lowest point 4060. So let's see if this decision can bring us some profit or not. So the last 3 minutes. Okay, let's go to TP1. TP1, it's there. 60. TP1, it's there. By my side, it's time to reduce this. So TP1. The TP1 it's bigger for obviously reasons. So try to set the B, guys. So well, we need to break the 4077, of course. TP2 it's for 92 pips. It's bigger than the usual. Let's see if the last two candle can bring us good reactions or not. This is the last candle. For 15 minutes. Top dog 80 or stop loss. Okay. That's my plan at least at this point, but I reduce it for 30 pips. Okay, ends in a good position. ends in a good position. The stop now is 4067.85. Let's see. I'm still holding. Well, it's happy to me to see some people is in B, some people have some profit. So that's great. We got an accumulation in 1 minute. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Okay, price is still there in a like in accumulation. 5 minutes. We need to break the 4077 if we want to continue for the TP2 or TP3. Jesus Grace Network. Thanks, my friend. It's a crazy day. Crazy day. Difficult day too. So we survived with to this trade just um because I opened the stop. That's all for around 90 pips. That is the only reason what we survived this trade. I was pretty sure of the reaction, but as everyone here see, the when I open the trade, the price go back instantly. How much? 80 pips or something like this, 70 pips. So well, the idea is to provide and stop similar like the first stop what I share into the Discord, sorry, into the Telegram. Okay, TP2 it's now, guys. For that reason, the TP1 was bigger than the usual, and for that reason, the TP1 is bigger than the usual. Mm, Now it's not optional to be in break even. Break even it's now. Let's see, I'm praying for we touch this TP3. Seven minutes. God bless you, my friend. You smart. Well, difficult trade. Very difficult trade. Very difficult 3 days. But at least some people get some profit for this trade. That's enough. That's enough. At least I'm expecting the TP3 for do my first partial. Let's see, it's a good decision or not. Hmm. Going back hard. This is the last 4 minutes. This is the last 4 minutes candle. Thanks, my friend Lewis. Difficult situation, difficult environment. Well, let's see if I can recover some trades here, some money here. With my first account. So well, remember guys, if you want to open an account with a challenge, go first into the promformatch.com. There you will see a lot of options, many information for many different prop firms. Just go into the links. The link is into the description. The link is into the chat. I will share it. So make me a favor, just click into the link and see if you want to apply and test your knowledge in a one prop firm, guys. Losing some pressure. Gold has been horrible this week, yes. Very, very difficult conditions. It's just like this, always is like this. We have a good environment, then we got another week not that good. Oh well, it's pure patience. It's pure patience. Resist the difficult conditions. Thanks God, some people here get the entry in a good point. Very difficult week. This is the last two candles, so we need the price to stay there near to the 40.77. And as you can see, sometimes you need to adapt your trades according to the conditions, guys. This one was really difficult. It was painful. It was very painful to use an stop loss for around 90 pips. That's not according my plans, never. But well, unfortunately, when I opened the train, I catch the fall. 1 minute candle for around 50, 60 pips. So well, that things happen. Beautiful. We got a point of reaction here into the 0.5, so let's see if we can continue for the TP3. Good going, bro. First time I see you in live and bye. Nice, my friend. Most of the time it's not that intense. It's not that intense like today, but well, today is a difficult day. Need to go to B3 for recover the account some money. With your brother, how you can get the 50 account payout together? How much lot size? I'm thinking I can give away for a payout. Like if I do a withdrawal for I don't know $1,000, I can do a giveaways that payout or something like this. I'm thinking about that with this account because this account is for you and this account it's for everyone can enjoy it. So let's see. Change the stop loss, bro. My stop loss is there 40.72. Let's say 40.73. Well, guys, remember if you want more entries by Telegram or Discord, you go there. Let me explain how I manage the trades here into the Telegram. For example, this trade, well, first of all, I prepare the people like we are having a difficult conditions. Preparing long position, term speech now. Remember, use the correct lot size for your accounts. The first order buy gold now. The stop loss will be set to 40.61. Okay. Point of entry. Then provide the second stop loss. You need to update the second stop loss there. So if you can see, even if you got the retracement, if you set the first stop loss, your account will be not your position will be continue because the price never touched the 40.61. Then the positions, and I didn't call the TP2. Well, I'm going to call the TP3 now, guys. The TP3, guys. TP3, it's there. TP3. And, so the TP3 it's there. TP3 it's there. Congratulations for the ones who are still holding the position. So now let me share it again. So it looks like this. TP3 and then just call DTPs. TP2 plus TP3 plus 122 pips. That's all. But that's important, when I share the order into the Telegram, I share the first stop loss. So you need to respect the stop loss, and then 1 minute, 2 minutes later, update the 40, the second stop loss. So in this case, was difficult, different than the usual, but that is how I called the trade. Okay, the entries into the Telegram. If you want to be there, just contact me by WhatsApp. Okay, position will be reduced to the more than the 90%. So let's see what we have. God bless you, Laurito. God bless you too. Saliendran. I got 2,000. That's beautiful, my friend. I got 1,000. Beautiful. Beautiful trade. That was a great trade, to be honest. Just for 1 minute, and this is something what I'm going to explain. I opened the trade in this candle in 69, but the price ends in 4070, 4070 at 90. And then the price fall instantly for around 72 pips. For that reason, I increased the position. But well, I think many people take a good point, better point than me, and get some profits. Yes, this account is the funded account. This account is a funded account. Now I'm in negative for $260 for the two trades of the day. But well, I will recover. I was in negative for $750. Now I'm in negative for $300. So that's great. Tokio, Londres, duermo. 84. Big profit today. Took the risk and made my second position on 40.66. That was beautiful. Thank you, Laurito, brother. It's a pleasure, my friend. Tokyo haces live. No, solo por Telegram. Solo recibirán las señales por Telegram. Bro, you remember yesterday, Bangladesh? Yes, I remember that. That guy. See there any re-entry levers than the losses? The wins are always stronger than the losses. That's the idea. That's the idea. Sorry, guys. So, well, good reaction there. 0.50. Let me set the B in 100 pips at least. Well, TP2, it's great. Okay, perfect. So, well, my B now is in TP2. Let's see if this candle will end. It's looking great, this candle. But I don't like the 0.5 reactions. For that reason, I share my position to 140.79. Well, now I secure my account, continue in less than $200 in negative. So that was great because I was in negative for $650 today. $700 in negative. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful candle. But we need to break this 0.5. And expect Jerome Powell is coming, guys. Jerome Powell is coming. If we break the 0.5, I believe we can touch the 41 again. I just see the 50 minutes and the 1 minute. Sebastian Doc Charity, my friend, yes, you can. If you ask me how, I don't know how, but but some people in Telegram have an automated system to copy the trades. When I share the order buy, they open the position instantly. When I share the TPs, everything is automated. So so yes, but I'm not sure about that copier. To be honest, I don't need it because I don't copy anyone into the Telegram. For that reason, I never test it. Good. Great. Bro, it touched my max drawdown first. Okay. Probably yes. Some people it's the same. Like they can't resist the two candles in drawdown. Was difficult. I break the rules today because market almost wants to destroy my account. But well, I'm trying to survive as the best way as I can, holding the position, holding the blue numbers, and well, that's the that's the way. I just want to see. Okay, perfect. You trade retracement in 50 minutes. Yes, I trade the retracement in 50 minutes. Bro, you trading 50% retracement? Yes, I trade 50% of retracement into my sons. Out of my sons, I don't use that retracement. Guys, and remember the Telegram access is not for free. It's a lifetime subscription, $149. Sorry. Sorry, guys. What's the mode for payment of Telegram? It's by PayPal or USD. So that was very difficult trade. Very, very difficult trade. Congratulations for the ones who take the entry. Now the funk is coming. I will hold the trade 6 minutes more, and then I close it, guys. Yes, I really want a soda. I really want a Coke with some pizza. How many days which you're given live trading for? And try the New York session and Tokyo session, guys. Tokyo session is just for the people in Telegram. You told you got to the 41 with your take profit. Uh, let's see. I'm waiting the 4091. Probably it will hit my B now if I don't see a reaction here. My hit is there. So well, my position is taken, guys. My position is taken. So let me take the go here. So well, this is the list for the trades for the provided into the Telegram. Let's go to enter very nice trades. Time for share. Oliver, it's a pleasure, my friend. That's all, guys. Why? That's all because the funk is coming. Funk is coming. Canly correct weekly trade and share to trades. It's video log. I already explained. This is for the Telegram trades. And I'm going to show you the Telegrams for today. So in Tokyo session, we didn't do nothing. Nothing in Tokyo session. New York session. First position in 41.24. Second position 41.18. And the last position 40.70 that night. I already explained, my friend. This is my Funder account, so I'm going to take some trades what I'm not going to share into the Telegram. Here is the Telegram November trades. If you want to follow me to copy this account, that's up to you. But the people in Telegram knows the things what I share here. Probably sometimes it's going to be different than the things what I'm going to share into the Telegram. So 3 entries today into the Telegram, 2 success trade, and 1 stop loss hit. And it's something what I didn't explain. It's something what I didn't explain. It's something what I explained many hours ago. If you go back to the stream, you will understand the explanation. So well, that's it. So yes, the my Telegram is private. There, I share the information, the important information, the entries for what I recommend there. Everything is there. For example, the last entry, but I go now and I provide an stop to the maximum extension. Then I give the point of entry, the TPs, the full TP, the TP1, TP2, TP3, the counter of the pips, important information. But yes, for the Telegram, New York session, point of entry was the first trade. Second entry, that was an stop hit. Then I explain like I will prepare the position, preparing a long position, important information there, and second entry for the Telegram. So my project 1 month ago was to pass this challenge as soon as I can, just with the entries into the Telegram. But of course, as a trader, I take another entries different than I provide into the Telegram. So I'm not going to follow like I'm just going to provide the entries with this account for the Telegram, for example. No, it's no reason. I already proved you can pass the challenge with my entries with no issues if you respect the stop loss, if you respect the entries. And that's all. Now I'm a funded. I have this funded account, two funded accounts, and I will take and hold positions probably different than the Telegram. Why? Because in Telegram I will be sure for everyone receive the information first. Everyone receive the most safety point of entry and everything. Well, that's the reality. It's be a block. If you follow that trade, thanks for the trust, but that's up to you. Here, if you can read, it's a Telegram November trades. You are one of the old members here. Sorry if you don't like the service. You can go out of the channel whenever you want. But if I want to take 2 or 3 positions different than the Telegram, I can take it because this is not. I'm not continue with this with the same project like passing the challenge just with the entries in Telegram now. So I will trade with this account as I usually trade, opening different trades, opening different positions, and take advantage of my knowledge, of course. So well, even by my side, I did a 4 entries, of course. I did a 4 entries, of course. I was in minus $750 for the account. Now I'm in negative to $270. So probably today in Tokyo session, I will recover this negative for end the account in positive. But well, as you can see, the account of course is in negative because I opened another extra trade than the others. But that extra trade, I didn't share it into the Telegram trades. So well, that extra trade give me that negative for $270. I will I really want to go back to the $50,000. So let's see what happened in the next. Okay. So yes, if you follow the trade, the extra trade, you will be in negative as me. But the people in Telegram, they know it's part of the rules. Just follow the instructions provided into the Telegram. Yes, I would take extra risk. Probably if we win that trade, probably you are not going to say nothing. But well, back in New York in Tokyo session for the people in Telegram, and back here for the people in New York tomorrow, guys. So thanks for the comments, thanks for the support. I'll be back soon, guys.